Here at DeLonghi Group UK, we have our in-house service centre. We feel it's important for us to take ownership of all aspects of after-sales support for our customers. The sole objective of our service centre is the prompt return of your machine back to you in full working condition. When the customer's machine comes to us, they will have their machine serviced by a highly trained team of coffee specialists. We can repair your coffee machine under the terms of our warranty, as well as offering very competitive price bands for the servicing of your machine outside the warranty period. We use only genuine DeLonghi components in the service or repair of your product. This is to guarantee that your machine will be returned working to the same exceptional standards set during our manufacturing process. Customers want to know what happens with their machine, so at the end of a service we provide you with a service booklet. We designed this as a way to communicate back to you what work had been done, and also to give you some tips and recommendations for getting the best out of your machine and ways in which you can maintain it to prolong the lifespan. We realise these machines mean a lot to our customers, and our customers mean a lot to us. So when a customer's machine comes in here, that machine also means a lot to us.